At the edge banding setup screen, we can define the edge banding and laminate required for each of our standard and custom parts. These edge banding definitions will be automatically applied to our parts while we are designing. Here is a summary of what edges of our parts will be banded, sometimes by different edge banding per edge on the same part. For example, here we have the bottom and top of our wall or upper cabinet's unfinished end edge banded with 3mm white PVC, while its front is edge banded with half millimeter cherry. These two definitions refer to the same part of the same cabinet but to different edges. Our base cabinets, however, have both the front and top of their unfinished ends edge banded with cherry. In addition, if we have a specific cabinet that should have different edge banding for one or more parts than that which exists in the edge banding setup file for the job, then Cabinet Pro allows that level of customization as well. All edge banding is applied automatically during design, and all CNC machining is therefore moved closer to the side of the part being edge banded according to the thickness of the edge banding on that particular side. In addition to our labels showing the color and location of all edge banding per part, our panel optimizer also shows which side of each part is being edge banded. Here you can see one side is cherry while the other two are white for one of the unfinished ends of a wall cabinet. While on an unfinished end belonging to a base cabinet, we have two sides being edge banded with cherry, as we saw in our setup earlier. We can change if and how our edge banding is displayed here during optimization by pressing the Show Hide Edge Banding command button. If we type the word name here and select 6 letters to view, then Cabinet Pro will display the actual name of our edge banding as it appears in our inventory. If we enter anything else here, like these 3 slashes, then Cabinet Pro will display whatever letters or symbols we entered to designate our edge banding. We can also change the color of our edge banding designations. If we uncheck the box that inserts our edge banding designation, then Cabinet Pro will not display the text designating edge banding. If we uncheck the box that draws a line at the edges being banded, then the lines will not be drawn. And if we uncheck both boxes, then edge banding will be ignored in our optimizer. Pressing the Save Preferences button both saves your changes and applies them to the current optimization.